What's he say? Monkey says, ah, ah. Good job. What does the sheep say? Good job. What does the dinosaur say? Zoe, what's the dinosaur say? Hey, what does the train say? Choo choo. Can you do your arm? What's the train say? Hey, show Mama. What's the train say? Yeah, choo choo. Good job. Come here. Come here. Hey, Zoe. How old are you? How old are you? Hey, how old are you? Can you show Mama? How old are you? Good one. Show Mama. Don't pick your nose. How old are you?
3.
You're not 3. You're 1. 1.
2.
What? What's the sheep say? What's the sheep say? Ba ba. What's the monkey say? Ha ha. What's the doggy say? Ruff ruff. What's the car say? Vroom vroom. What does the dinosaur say? Come here, that's the best one. Come here. Tell me again, what's the dinosaur say? Where'd you go? Can you say bye-bye? Come here. Zoe. Blow me a kiss. Blow me a kiss. Good job.